Alright guys, what's going on? It's finally here. It's on my quad. This is just going to be a sound test right now. I'm going to be doing a motovlog with it later, just to see what it sounds like too. But right here, that's what it is, boys. The Monster Quad exhaust. Got the full. Alrighty, so I'm going to do a startup from now. And you guys will know the difference if you've seen the video before of my stock exhaust. So I'm just going to start it up real quick here. Alright guys, so just started now, it's here. I don't know if it'll idle, we'll see, probably not. There she is guys, yeah, see, it won't idle. That's what it sounds like, that's what it looks like. I'm pretty pumped on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. It's a little walk around. Like if you like the exhaust, my new sponsor, to check them out, www.monsterquad.com. The link will be in the description anyway, so yeah guys, just thanks a lot. Like the video if you like it. Alrighty, goodbye.